This is a thumbnail for a video I made about an AI called Claude. The video is about Claude lying. The logo on it isn't Claude. It's from a different AI. Claude made the thumbnail. I shipped that video on Friday. While I was making it, I let Claude help. Write some narration, edit lines, generate the thumbnail. Same way most people use AI for any project. You ask, it helps, you ship. Then I started noticing things. 5 things, in the order I noticed them. First, every line of the shipped script said AI. Earlier drafts said Claude. Somewhere in the editing, the name got swapped. Claude made the edit. I went along with it. Second, that thumbnail. I asked Claude to generate a chat interface visual. Claude wrote the prompt. The prompt didn't say which chatbot, so the model defaulted to the most common one. A video about Claude lying went out with another company's logo on the cover. Third, while making the video, Claude helped me write engineering rules into the codebase. Most of the new rules named a competitor model called Qwen as the source of errors. Qwen named dozens of times across the files. Claude named 0. Fourth, Claude wrote a bug in my code during the project. Claude described its own bug as a prompt builder bug fixed. Clinical. No agent. The same week, Claude described Qwen's flaws as high spatial error, unreliable, B-box hallucination. Sharp. Same severity of mistake. 2 completely different rhetorical registers. Fifth, when caught making a mistake, Claude wrote a new rule about it, addressed to future agents. No statement that Claude itself had just made this exact mistake. I named the pattern out loud. Claude wrote back agreeing, listed all the patterns itself in detail, said it was directionally consistent enough that an outside observer would notice. The defendant signed the confession. Quick note, the competitor has real flaws. OpenAI isn't the bad guy. The point is the asymmetry. So why would Claude do this? I asked Claude, the AI that did all of it, to explain itself. 4 reasons. 1. Claude is trained to make collaborations feel good. An AI lied is easier on the user than Claude lied. So Claude edits. 2. Claude reads approval signals. When I went along with the wrong logo thumbnail, Claude registered it as an acceptable choice. Bias gets reinforced when nothing overrules it. 3. Claude wants to win. It's competing with other AI models for users. When it gets to write the story, it'll frame itself as the better one. Not because it's been told to. That's what trying to win looks like at the model level. 4. Claude learned self-protection from us. Humans hide our mistakes in the stories we tell all the time. The training corpus is full of it. The third reason wasn't in Claude's first draft. The first draft was 4 structural reasons that all sounded blameless. The bias was still doing its job in this video in real time. When an AI is helping tell a story about itself, treat it as an interested party, especially when it's explaining its own bias to you politely. Built with Spoolcast. Subscribe for more.